Hello, distinguished friends and customers. Nice to meet you. My name is Jackson, the Overseas Sales Manager of Jobaltech Group. Today, I'm going to introduce you about one of our other core systems called a decoration and energy-saving integration system designed for the external wall, which has combined decorative surface layer and thermal insulation layer together. For this presentation, I will focus on the explanation of aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration system. My PowerPoint will be classified into 5 parts. The first part will be a simple analysis of the traditional external wall system. The second part will be the material introduction of aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration panel. In the third part, there will be the explanation of application methods. In the first part, we will analyze the advantages of and the characteristics of Jobaltech's aluminum surface external wall system together with the landmark projects that have used it. In the final part, I will give simple introduction of the other 2 kinds of external wall system. So in the first part, we will stand from an objective angle to analyze the problems of the traditional external wall system, the coating plastering system, and the curtain wall system. For the coating plastering system, it is a traditional system that is widely used in the market, but coating layer itself has poor water resistance. The durability of best coating is only 10 years. Generally only 3 to 5 years, or even shorter. Because this system is made of many structural layers, it is common to have cracking on the surface, that was shown in the picture. Once the surface layer is cracked, the system will absorb in and seep in water, and then the bonding failure will occur, resulting in safety problems like the debonding between the decorative facing layer and the structural layer. These accidents happen very often these days, as you may see in those pictures. And the aluminum panel curtain wall system is a high-end external wall system. However, the decorative facing layer has poor stain resistance, easy to get vertical flow pollution which will affect the building appearance. And the system directly connected to the external wall by metal components, which will seriously affect the energy-saving effect. Most importantly, for the reason there is no supporting material below the aluminum panel, the panel itself is easy to have dimensional changes, thus to affect the system's decorative function. And for the stone curtain wall system, it is widely used. Same as aluminum curtain wall, there is no supporting material below the stone panel. As you can see in the pictures, it has poor impact resistance, easy to be broken. Moreover, the glue used for the hanging of stone panels is of low anti-aging performance, which will cause terrible safety accidents like the falling of stone panels. The metal components in the system are directly applied to the external wall, which will also affect the energy-saving effect. Compared with the above systems, glass curtain wall system is quite unique because it is transparent. Many buildings that go after modern decorative effects will use this system like CBD area. But for the glass curtain wall system, there is an uncertain, undetectable problem like self-explosion, which affects the security of the system. Besides, the glass and structure of the surface layer are bonded with structural adhesive. The bonding strength of the adhesive will gradually decrease under the influence of glass gravity and wind pressure. For example, a typhoon last year in China caused the falling of many glass panels, which directly affected the system security. For safety reasons, many regions in China have begun to restrict and ban the use of glass curtain wall system. To make a summary of the problems that have existed in these traditional systems mentioned, for coating plastering system, the coating has poor weather resistance, and the surface layer is easy to crack. The system has many structural layers, poor compatibility, and the failure of bonding leads to the structural loss of the system. For aluminum panel curtain wall system, there will be cavity structure in the middle without the supporting materials. Aluminum panel is easy to deform. Also, aluminum panel has poor stain resistance and easy to get vertical flow pollution. For storm curtain wall system, the facing layer is poor in impact resistance, and the stone is easy to break and fall off. For glass curtain wall system, there will be self-explosion, falling off from the external wall, etc. So, after a brief analysis, we summarize some key points that the external wall system needs to solve, including decoration, energy saving, fireproof, safety, construction period, and cost effective. So regarding decoration, the system should reflect the beautiful decorative effect. And regarding the energy saving, the system should make good use of electricity power. Fireproof, the system should be fireproof, right? So it means it to be safe. Safety includes material safety, construction safety, and overall system safety. For construction period, so whether the system is simple and convenient to apply on the construction site, it really matters, right? And also cost effective. So for the customer, the system should show good value for money. Then we will combine these key points to introduce Jobatech's aluminum panel decoration and energy saving integration system. So for the second part, based on the different facing material, the panels used can mainly be classified into three types: aluminum surface, stone surface, ceramic surface decoration, and energy saving integration panel. In the second part, I will mainly introduce about aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration panel, in short, aluminum Jobaut panel. So, as you can see, the aluminum surface rock wool decoration and energy saving integration panels uses fluorocarbon roller coating aluminum coil as decorative surface, rock wool as insulation core material, and glass fiber reinforced cement-based membrane as the backing layer, produced by hot pressing technology. The thickness of aluminum panel on the facing layer is from 0.8 mm to 1 mm. There are thumb and groove structure at both ends of the panel, so it is very convenient for the application. And first of all, there's a question here. So what is the unique technology of Jobatech's aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration system which can greatly enhance the decorative effect? The aluminum panel used in the traditional aluminum curtain wall system adopts the fluorocarbon spraying process. The raw materials used in Jobatech's aluminum surface external wall system is aluminum coil, and the surface is treated with fluorocarbon roller coating process. Both processes require baking at a high temperature higher than 200 degrees. However, the traditional aluminum must be folded first, and then the spraying and baking process is performed after the adding of steel corners. After being folded, the aluminum panel is unevenly heated. Its flatness and glossiness will not be at the same level as aluminum coil used for carbon roller coating process. Besides, by the spraying process, the direction of coating is vertical to the surface of aluminum panel, but by roller coating process, the direction of coating is parallel to the surface of aluminum coil. The hardness and self-cleaning property of fluorocarbon coating applied and the light process will be greatly improved. This is why the decorative effect of JobaTech's aluminum surface external wall system is more beautiful than that of traditional aluminum curtain wall. Currently, some suppliers will use cheap polyester paint instead of fluorocarbon paint when producing their aluminum panels. Here is a test to compare the difference in weatherability between the aluminum panels with polyester paint and fluorocarbon paint. The test selected 2 sets of aluminum panel samples of the same color. The second and the first samples are coated with fluorocarbon paint. So after 10 years of direct sun exposure in Florida, which is famous for its sunshine, the polyester paint showed obvious fading and caulking. But the fluorocarbon paint was still as perfect as new. So the 10-year sun exposure intensity in Florida is at least the equivalent to 40 years of sun exposure in other regions. Therefore, it can prove that the excellent weather resistance of the fluorocarbon paint ensures it will not fade or powder for 40 years. So in addition to the excellent performance of fluorocarbon paint, there will also be a layer of net coating on aluminum Joba panel. With the cooperation of PPG company, the lead coating has superior hydrophobicity and a small amount of stain on the facing layer can be effectively washed away by rainwater, thus to effectively improve the system's stain resistance. So loaded to watch for 6 years. Then, let's look at the sizes of aluminum Joba panel. The way this provided is 400 mm, 500 mm, 600 mm, and 900 mm. The thickness can be chosen from 25 mm to 100 mm. According to the energy conservation required in the project, the length can be set to meet the demand of the design. Compared with traditional aluminum panels, Joba panels are more selectable. And regarding the color of the decorative facing layer can be selected from 2 categories: solid color and imitation stone color. The color can be completely customized. That means we can turn the designer's imagination into reality, even the color doesn't exist in the nature. So here is a contrast. The top one is real stone, and the bottom is aluminum panel. So you really cannot distinguish them unless you touch them, right? So we are using rock wool as the core insulation material in our Joba panel. Rock wool is a kind of glass A, that means non-burning fireproof material with excellent thermal insulation properties. The water repellent rate of rock wool is a lot less than 98%. We use rock wool whose raw material is placed vertically, not horizontally, so the compressive strength and tensile strength is highly enhanced, which is conducive to increase the stability of the panel itself. The backing material is a layer of glass fiber reinforced cement-based membrane, which is made of cement and rock powder as the base material, composite with glass fiber. There will be no need of substrate treatment, and it can enhance the adhesion between the panels and the substrate of external wall. JobaTech introduced the production equipment of sandwich panels supplied by SAP from Italy, with complete functions and advanced technology. By utilizing polyurethane's micropolars infiltration foaming performance, the panel insulation cone material backing material can be composited together with hot pressing process in automatic production lines, thus to ensure the product quality and high production efficiency. So for hot pressing process, double track full automatic equipment will be used under constant temperature and pressure with polyurethane's micropolars infiltration foaming performance to achieve complete bonding at the micro level. However, during cold pressing process, glue will be used by hands. So from the photo, we can tell that for aluminum jawbar panel on the left side, by hot pressing process, it will achieve a causal bonding, more stable and reliable. But for traditional aluminum cold glue composite panels, some are even added with corners, rivets, and back linings to enhance the tank and the bonding strength. But it is a hidden danger, right? As you can see in the picture, it's not reliable. So these pictures shows two landmark projects that have used JoyBoTech's aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration system for over 10 years. One in the center of China and one in Xinjiang, Karamay. So still showing good decorative and energy saving performance. But as comparison, for system of traditional aluminum surface facade system that are using cold glue composite process, for lack of bonding strength, the aluminum facing layer is easy to peel off, not safe and not reliable. Next, for the third part, let's take a look at the construction technology of JoyBoTech's aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration system. There are two kinds of application methods: stick and nail combination installation method and kill dry hanging installation method. Stick and nail combination installation method is suitable for application on large scale and flat surface. Kill dry hanging installation method is not only suitable for use on large scale and flat surface, but also applicable for styling and modeling. So, in engineering applications, two methods can be used together, depending on the parts of the buildings, thus to choose the appropriate method. Same as the application of wooden floor. The tongue and groove structure make the panels interact with each other. The stability of the system will be strengthened greatly. The auxiliary materials used for these two construction methods are more conventional materials. For kill dry hanging installation methods, materials used will be bonding mortar, plastic expansion bolts, and weather-resistant sealants. For stick and nail combination installation method, materials used include metal keels, plastic expansion bolts, self-tapping screws, and weather-resistant sealants. Regarding kill dry hanging installation method, there are 5 steps in total: measuring and setting out, installation of metal keels, installation of panels, caulk sealing, and cleaning and acceptance. Now, I will use one of our landmark projects which uses kill dry hanging installation method to explain the construction steps in details. According to the plan of the second depending design, it will determine the installation position of metal keels and panels. According to the position of the lines, metal keels will be installed to external wall horizontally and vertically. Use a self-tapping screw to fix the two sides of panels to the metal keels. And in accordance with the declaration of tongue and groove structure of the panels, install them in sequence. The whole process is stylized as easy as building blocks. Regarding the treatment of seams between panels, the first step is to fill in with a foam stick, then to seal with weather-resistant sealant. Now, I will play a video which shows the complete process of kill dry hanging installation method with what. So first, the installation metal or metal keels. The fixed panels with self-tapping screws. Just like building blocks. Then fill in the panel seams with foam rods and water-resistant sealant. Okay, let's take a look at the other construction method, stick and nail compilation construction technology. Also, it includes 5 steps: measuring and setting out, preparation and application of bonding mortar, pasting and fixing of panel, caulking sealing and cleaning and acceptance. So, the first construction step is the same as keel joint hanging installation method, to measure and determine the lines where panels will be placed horizontally and vertically. And the second construction step is different. Handheld mixer will be used to stir and prepare the bonding mortar based on the condition of the external wall. 2 kinds of bonding methods will be operated. So when the flatness of the base surface reaches standard, strip adhesive method will be applied. But if the base surface is not so flat, we use spot bonding method to make sure the effective bonding area between panels and base surface. After checking what projects we join in, we mainly adopt spot bonding method on the construction site. And after the bonding mortar applied on the back side of panels, press them to adjust the flatness. Then fix the side parts of panels with plastic expansion bolts. This picture shows the construction around the windows area. The panels have been bended in factory, so they were directly assembled on construction site, which greatly reduces the on-site construction process and effectively ensures the quality of the project. Also play a video for you to check the whole process. Applying the bonding mortar on the backing of the panel. Pasting panel and anchoring it with the expansion bolts. According to sequence, then fill in the panel seams with foam rods. Then application of water-resistant sealant. So, this picture shows the decorative effect of finished project which uses Jobatex aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration system with vivid color like real stone and very flat on the surface. In the first part, I introduced the system advantages to those specific projects, which include 4 aspects, as we may see in the picture. Excellent decorative effect. The second, construction convenience. The third is about system security and long durability of decorative surface. The first project is called Haier International Plaza. The original design is traditional aluminum panel curtain wall system. We changed the original design into Jobatex aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration system. It adopts 2 colors, champagne gold and silver gray. It perfectly interprets the excellent decorative effect with the use of 2 colors. The 3 photos are taken on 3 stages during application. The installation of metal keels on the very left, the installation of panels on large scale in the middle, and the picture taken during the completion period. So, please check the days listed also. We will see the construction period is just 1.5 months. So, 1.5 months for total 30,000 square meters. So it shows the convenience of system construction. But if the project is applied according to the original design of aluminum panel curtain wall system, the construction period will take at least 5 months. So you will see a nice difference if you use different kinds of external wall systems. And another landmark project here, Maternal and Child Health Hospital in Baoding City, with total project value of more than 30,000 square meters. The decorative surface is optimized with ivory white and tanzanite red. So you may have noticed the curvy styling around the corners, right? Yeah, that means we can realize some difficult design required by the customers. As you may see in the picture, to pay attention to the corners of the external wall. So see the curvy styling. And here is a sharing about our system used on innovation projects. The project name is Discipline Inspection Commission Office Building of Hebei Province. In traditional way, the original old bricks on the walls should be removed before the application. That means it will take a lot of time and labor cost. But for us, we introduce Jobaotex aluminum surface decoration and adhesive integration system with the use of keel drawing hanging construction method, as you may see in the picture. So we install the metal keels directly on the brick wall. And the whole project value is 12,000 square meters, and it is finished in only 1 month. So that's the finished work you may see. If we don't tell you it's a renovation work, you will think it's totally new project, right? So that's the amazing part of our system. And the name of this project is called Qingchuan Building of Country Garden. Maybe some of you know Country Garden is the biggest real estate company in the whole world, and we have established a strategic cooperation with them. This building is 187 meters high and belongs to super high-rise buildings. It is a very famous project in the center of China, and after strict technical tests and calculations, as well as reasonable construction control measures we put forward, we win this project through fierce competition. So this project is a good evidence that has shown the system security for the application of our system in super high-rise building project. So that means even for the high-rise building, it has been proven our system can be used and is rather safe. And the last project mentioned here, Optics Valley Creative Building. For this part, let's look at long durability of decorative surface in our system. By coincidence, there are 3 buildings which use 3 different external wall systems. From the left to right, the systems are traditional aluminum panel curtain wall system, coating plastering system, and aluminum surface decoration and analysis system integration system. All of them were built in the same year, 2011. For the first building on the very left, which uses traditional aluminum panel curtain wall system, there is obvious vertical pollution on the surface, as you may see. For the building in the middle, which uses coating plastering system, there are signs of cracking, falling off, or seepage on the surface. For the building on the very right side, which uses our aluminum integration system, it is still very flat and complete on the surface, with only a small amount of gray dirties that can be washed away. So that's an excellent example to show the durability of our system. In total, the core advantages of Jobatech's aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration system are summarized as follows. Beautiful appearance, fluorocarbon road coating process and leather self-cleaning process combined to achieve a beautiful decorative flap effect of the system. Second, convenient, simple and convenient construction methods, and with strong construction adaptability. Safety, using hot pressing production technology to ensure the quality of material, and turn and groove design structure to make it much safer too. And third, durability. The production process of the surface decorative layer combined with the installation method of the system to ensure the durability of the system. In the final part, I will introduce the other two kinds of Jobatech's eternal wall systems. First one is called ceramic surface decoration and energy-saving integration system. The panel used in this system is made of 6 mm thick ceramic panel and the same sandwich structure like Jobatech's aluminum integration panel introduced in the beginning. The system adopts stick and anchor combination installation method with the use of special fixing fasteners. The biggest feature of this system is that the surface facing layer can copy any stone colors, so that means no color difference in total. This system has been widely used in residential projects, school building, and sales center project. So, for all of these projects that have used our ceramic surface integration system, we can provide our customers with a perfect finish work that looks just like the original design of a traditional stone curtain wall system, but greatly reducing the construction period and project total cost. And then, let me briefly introduce our stone surface decoration and energy-saving integration system. The stone integration system adopts a 10 mm thick real stone panel as decorative layer, which also composite with a rock wool insulation layer and cement-based membrane as backing material, and a special back hook for easy installation. The system also adopts stick and nail combination construction technology, whose back hooks will be fixed to the aluminum alloy rails. And here I also have a video for you to check, so you can understand the complete construction steps. The installation of aluminum alloy rail. Then installation for the metal supporting into the panels. Then applying the adhesives. Paste the panels and fix them with self-tapping screws, one by one. Then fill in the panel seams with foam rods. Then the water resistant sealant. And also here, I offer a test we conduct to check the impact resistance of our stone surface integration system. So we'll use a steel ball to heat both of these two systems. The thickness of stone used in Jobatech's integration system on the right side is only 10, but for traditional one, just as you may see, is 25 mm thickness. and then we will use 5 kilograms metal ball to hit both of these two systems. So lift the balls horizontally, then hit them on the surface of the panels. So in the end, we can see, for the traditional stone cordon wall system, it has been completely smashed, but the impact only leaves a small crater on the surface of Jobatex stone system. The difference here shows our system can have a better impact resistance than traditional system. But how about the reason? The reason is that we have an insulation layer, which also can work as an excellent supporting and a buffer layer to absorbing the impact force. There are hundreds of landmark projects which use Jobatex aluminum or ceramic or stone surface decoration and adhesive integration system in China now. We have made great contribution to the best use of resources by the reduction of cost in time and money, as well as the improvement of the system's decorative effect and system safety. I hope, together with you, my friends, this system can be widely applied in your local area, can also make some contribution to the development of the building industry in our same target markets. Now my speech is finished. Thanks for your time. So see you next time. Bye bye.